I don't know what it is about those temperature machines, but I get a little anxious when I see one, especially with 2 police guards standing there. I feel like if that siren goes off, they might just bum rush me and slide me off to the back. But everything went off without a hitch.
Birthday boy!
What you Mac? Always working, man.
Always working. Happy birthday, D!
Thank you, man.
What we gonna do today, man?
I have no clue.
Well, all right, y'all. Today, we're going squid fishing. It's my boy D's birthday today, so for his birthday, we decided to get out there and catch some squid. Now, the travel OG don't know nothing about fishing, but I did see something that blew my mind. They ate a live, raw squid right out the water, dipped it in some soy sauce, chewed it off, and y'all ready? Let's get into it. I'm the travel OG, and I traded in my Hollywood lifestyle for the sexy beaches of Pattaya, Thailand. We're bringing you exclusive interviews, showing you what the golf courses are like, the caddies are like, what the homies like. Zoom to Thailand with your man, Richie Mack, the travel OG.
Boat. We're about to get on the boat for Dale's birthday. Y'all see what this is.
It's time to get down. First messing around in my room with Zoom to Thailand. This is the dude that told me, man. What'd you tell me when you first saw Zoom to Thailand? Or anybody else, what'd you say?
I said it's got great potential. It's going to be big. And it's going to be very profitable.
I ain't got to the profitable
part
yet.
But we working on it. But it's coming.
So as you can see, we're not that far from the mainland. About a 10-minute boat ride to baby Squid land. Of course, the ladies were doing all the translating. That's one of the main advantages about having someone cool to be with when you can't speak the language. Cooking grits is one thing, but having someone that's native to the soil makes all the difference. I can't read that.
They said if you don't fish, you don't eat. Where's the pole? Oh, one.
Catch something on. You're gonna talk about it on your own webcast.
Webcast?
Oh, that's what I do. I take that.
Yeah, you put that on there. I heard Moby is out there, so
it is. I don't catch this.
Daryl caught something. I ain't catch ish. Meanwhile, Elle wasn't doing much better.
What happened, Noodle? You couldn't catch a fish? You was laughing at me.
Since Noodle and I couldn't catch nothing, we decided to do it the old-fashioned way. We ordered off the menu.
Waitress. Even the boat waitress could get it. Oh, ding dong. Even the boat waitress can get it. Huh? Nike ID. No, the Nike ID. Honey?
Pork.
That's pork. What's that?
TU.
Oh, okay.
This.
Oh, okay.
This bestseller.
That's the bestseller?
Yes.
Okay.
เอาอันนี้ใช่ไหม
Cop. You said that's the bestseller, right? A Nike ID? They got cow pot guy?
Half.
Oh.
You want?
Yeah, give me a cow. We get the other one too. We have both. We try.
Okay.
Cow pot guy.
ไก่หนึ่งค่ะข้าวผัดไก่เล็กเหมือนกันนะหรือว่าใหญ่ดีเอาเล็กค่ะใหญ่หมูก็เล็กไก่ก็ได้
So after a healthy drink, I decided to just kick back and enjoy the view.
Ooh, dude caught a fish. Let me see, dude. Hey. He caught a real. Oh, you get to eat today.
Get that sashimi now. Mix it right up for you. Get some chili sauce.
Oh, dude got a squid now.
When you gonna get your squid?
ทำอะไรครับหลุดช็อตไหม
ใครจะกินเลยใครจะกิน
ตัวเล็กๆอย่าง
แซ
เงี้ยหลุดช็อต
มกินไหมกินสิเอาหมูกินเลยกินเลยค่ะ
เดี๋ยวผมมาติด
Dude got a squid.
ว่าใครจะกินก็กินเลย
All right, y'all, I gotta be real with you. I missed the part where she bit the head off because it was so random, I wasn't expecting it. I caught it when Lil Man started.
Catch that Leo. They catch the squid right out
อย่า
the
เทียบ
water.
อย่าไม่เทียบนะ คนกินต่อไปนะมันลำบากนะ
They catch the squid and eat it right out the water. Y'all see this? I can't make this water.
งานเร็วๆมันเหนียวอะค่ะ
He caught the fish. He caught the squid
ลายลงไปหมดแล้ว
straight out the water. They grubbing on the squid just like that.
โอ้ยผมก็เป็นทั้งตัว
Talk about fresh. Talk about fresh out the water. Damn.
You go catch me some, man.
Damn.
อร่อยไหม
They didn't even have to cook it or fry it or nothing.
You ain't like that. You eat sashimi, right?
Yeah, but I've never seen it like, you know, sashimi come at the sushi spot. I ain't never seen it right out the ocean, right into your mouth. Boom, bam.
อร่อยไหมอร่อยมากค่ะเอาเองเร็วๆมันจะแบบเนี้ยเอาอีนี่ครับอีนี่ครับเข้าไปหมดเลยหมดเลย
I ain't been here long enough to do that. I ain't been here long enough to do that. That was crazy. Dude, you caught it though. Yeah. Wow. Thank you, Cop. Bye-bye, Cop. Thank you. What you guys saw, But I saw them eat a live squid up out of the water, dipped it in some sauce and got busy. Straight up out the water, no frills. Mom Pam went and ate that squid. And little man, he joined her and they got it in. They did the whole... I ain't been here long enough for that, y'all. I ain't that committed. He fished it out the water, took it, dipped it in some soy sauce or whatever kind of sauce, and goddamn, me, I'm gonna stick to the rice, to the chicken and rice, you dig? Anyway, man, that was it for today. We did our thing here on the squid fishing. You know what comes next. Theme music!
Zoom to Thailand, hope you coming too. Richie Mac, travel OG with celebrity interviews. Get your passport, let's go. This is what you need for show. Brothers in Thailand and bikini babes at the beach. If you need more, he got it poppin'. Caddy of the day, we golfing. Really ain't a better option. Time to travel, like, subscribe, and leave a comment. Let's connect. Richie Mac, yeah, we steady vibing. Take a journey, let's get moving, cause we zooming right to Thailand. Hey, Richie Mac, travel OG, let's go.
Shout out to my Patreon members. I'll be at y'all in a minute. You should all consider joining the Patreon, especially if you need to get in contact with me directly. Join the Patreon to catch the Zoom After Dark clips that I can't show you on YouTube. Join the Patreon to support your boy so I can keep bringing you this heat. Join the Patreon because you enjoy quality content. This is just the beginning, y'all. We're about to take this thing to a whole nother level. Let's celebrate together. You